so bored I could literally sing. Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. I'm in the car because Sato's at Ulta. Oh yeah, I got my hair straight last night. I'm at Ulta in the car, and I forgot Sato's doing something at Ulta. Hopefully she's not buying more makeup because she has a whole room full of makeup. I am so bored. Watching people walk. It's only 1 o'clock. I do have to go back home and do school because I haven't did it yet. What's your favorite store? Question of the day. What is your favorite store? Do you like Ulta? Do you like Sephora? Do you like Marshalls? Do you like Maurice's? Or are you a sneakerhead and shop at Shoe Carnival or what's this one? Foot Locker. Yeah, I like Forever 21 and I like Forever 21, but I'm pretty sure they're all cool. Like all the Forever 21. I will see you when I get back home. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm about almost halfway done. I'm on my vocab. Next thing I have is writing. Thursday. Oh yeah. I pause my music so I can just think and focus. I will see you later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. I told you I'd vlog later in the day. It's already about to be nighttime. Well, it is nighttime. But what we have here is a BOXY CHARM. We are not sponsored. Just so you know, we're not sponsored. But what I'm gonna do is open it up with you guys. So let's get into it. So right here is a little PR. Is it a PR card? What is it? Just a card. And we got 25% off for Natasha Denona site wide. So first we're gonna start off with Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. It's Kush Waterproof Mascara from Milk Makeup. I like the packaging. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I love this color of blue. It looks like this. Let's open it up. Oh, it smells good. I don't really wear makeup. If I wear makeup, it's only mascara. So that's the mascara. The other product we have that I'm going to show you is this Natasha Denona Peak Palette. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. The shades that are in here is Aya. Is it Aya? It's Aya. That's one of them. The other one is Jasper. The other one is Thorn. Amhara. And the other one is Shine. These are really cute. We have is this Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. It looks like this. Here's the box. Well, this is what the serum looks like. I heard that snow mushroom is good for your skin. Well, we have this. Oh my gosh. This packaging is everything. Look, what a goddess. Is this from, where's this from?
It says Eloise.
To this Eloise beauty company, you did it with the packaging. This is so pretty. I opened the box and I thought it was going to be from Juvia's Place, and no, it is. This outdid Juvia's Place. Same thing on the cover thingy. Oh, it is so pretty. I live for this pink color and the blue color, and it is also pretty. The next thing we have is this INT Cosmetics lip oil. This is what it looks like. It is no. It's lip oil. Oh, it smells. Something smells good. Oh, it's this.
Let's see, put it on.
It smells.
I wanna see.
Hold on. It smells like Bath and Body Works.
Yeah, but what does it smell like?
It smells like
warm,
warm vanilla sugar. It smells like warm vanilla sugar from Bath and Body Works. That's what it smells like. Last but not least, we have the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer. Just go out, support this cosmetic line. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's just a little tan dot. It's pretty. But yeah, I love this packaging. Pink, purple, gold is the way to go if you're gonna do a makeup line. I don't know. But yeah, that is it for this little. Is there more? No, there's no more. This is cute. I don't even know what this is. Ew, it stinks. It stinks. Alright guys, that's it for Vlogmas Day 3. I hope you liked it. Go buy these products or go get this box from BOXY CHARM. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Share it. Tell everyone, tell your mom, tell your grandpa, tell your sister, your brother to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And thank you for watching, and we also have a giveaway coming up, but we need to get to 1,000 subscribers in order for the giveaway to happen. Like I said, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers in order for the giveaway to happen.
Say we can do it for
money. We can do it, we can do it, and we can do it. If you really want this giveaway, you better help us get to 1,000 subscribers. So, yep, that was it for Vlogmas Day 3. On Day 6, we will be announcing what the giveaway is. So, yeah, so stay tuned and let's get to 1,000 subscribers. And like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Share it. And that's it. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.